So in today's episode, we are in Otaru, and this is the Katsunai River. There's a lot of snow and it's freezing cold, but it's absolutely beautiful. We are on our way to the sake brewery here. We did not film inside as it's not conducive to my channel. The views. And you can see the ocean over there.
I said, what up?
Oh, that wind just picked up. This is the Otaru steam block. We just missed it going off, which is next to a beautiful building. And across the way is another gorgeous building.
She may have missed it, but I didn't. So enjoy the upcoming steam clock going off, and there's also some bell chimes that came from the city hall. Enjoy.
So this is us getting our 8-layered ice cream at the Otaru Rainbow Soft Cream Cafe. So this is 8 different flavors, which I talk about in the next part of the video as I try them all. They were really good. My favorite was the peach. The 8-layered ice cream. Chocolate's chocolatey. Peach is peachy. There's coffee on this side. Not very strong. Really nice flavors, that one. They're all really creamy. I will keep recording when I get down close to the bottom. Oh yeah. I'm just going to steal my husband's.
She took some of my milk. That's the peach, isn't it?
No, this is the raspberry, maybe? Sour raspberry? It's really good. Milk is great too.
Oh.
Worth it.
There's an apricot on the bottom. That pink stuff.
Oh. Oh, there is another layer. Ooh. That is worth coming for. Just the random things they're using to try and keep the snow and embankment from falling down. So here we are at a small offshoot of the Otaru canals with pretty lights over the top. And when we move over, we have some little igloos that they used to use for the native people of Otaru. Some old buildings. I think they're quite pretty and it's great to see them. Here's some more of the canals. Here's more of the light. I really wanted to include this section because I thought they were gorgeous and there was less people here. In quite a lot of the other areas, it was fairly busy. And here's a lantern Christmas tree. Really, really cute. I actually quite liked this decoration. And the canals. This is the main part of the canals. I had to wait in line for about 15 minutes to get this shot. But we couldn't not have it in the video.
Do 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 do, we're off to dinner. Do 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 do. Let's go down this little alley. Do do do, and figure out where we are going. Look at it, isn't it pretty? Now I do need to find where my husband went. Should we go here? Or maybe further in? These are beautiful little alleys. Beautiful.
Well, the reason why we wanted to come here.
Oh,
I have no idea where it is.
oh well. We'll keep wandering, I suppose.
It's not open for another 5 minutes.
Ah,
Right there.
here we are. This is where we plan on going.
Go, go.
Oh, but look at this really nice manhole cover.
Gorgeous.
Aloha Vulpix is very pretty.
With peace flowers around it. Really, really pretty. I had to see a manhole cover while I was here.
I mean, this is a shopping area.
Really cool alleyway with all the lanterns. A whole heap of little izakayas on either side. Lucky Direction. Smith's Grill. Very pretty.
A lovely little area.
Oh, we're going to figure out somewhere for dinner. I was hoping for snow crab, but I think I might have to pass on that and choose some venison.
Venison's always a good option.
So this concludes our day in Otaru. I would recommend coming here, especially if you're interested in things like glassware, the steam clock, the music boxes that we went to that we weren't allowed to film in.
Oil lamps, yeah. There were a lot of areas that we weren't allowed to film in.
But they were absolutely gorgeous. Lots of handmade, crafted gifts. There was also a lot of stained glass. So yeah, it was definitely a great day out. I very much enjoyed my day trip there. And I think you would too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let us know what your favourite part of our video was and whether or not Otaru is on your list of things to do in Japan.
We'll see you in the next one.
Bye!
Bye.